If you're experiencing frame stuttering in FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for FIFA 24. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution and adjust the quality settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Finding a balance between visual quality and performance can help reduce stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve performance while playing. Step 5. Optimize game files. If you are playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the frame stuttering issues in FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming.